Let me get a Dolly family. Let me get a Dolly family.
A Dolly family? Where's the mommy and the daddy?
Right, she's right there.
Yeah?
Okay, that's a baby.
Uh-huh.
That's a jaguar parent. That's it.
Jaguar.
Pumpkin. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
That was very polite.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's a box. Something. Something that can. Okay.